Right, hello again. Greg the Wild Hippie. Next project on the bench is this German motorbike and sidecar. Made a little bit of a start on it last night. Give me a second. Start with a look at the instructions. Pretty straightforward, I think. There's your sprue map. Two different versions. The rider there holding a pig, or you got the two there. I was hoping it would be able to make one more like the box art, which shows the guy in the sidecar holding the pig. But yeah, never mind. Where the heck did that come from? But yeah, that's one of the traps I started last night. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Yeah. And this one's going to be the rider. Quite nice figures. Yeah, the kit looks nice. I did like quite a bit of painting last night. Getting it started. Yeah, there's some nice detailing around the engine. I mean, you've got the cylinders there, all the cooling fins, and there's your pipes for the top of the engine. It might be carburetor or something, I'm not 100% sure. I haven't looked closely. Yeah, there's your sides of the sidecar. More wheels. It's a very nice kit. There's some nice detailing on it. Look at the torso there for the other chap. I mean, he's spare. That one, there's a spare figure, which is quite cool. Might be able to use it further down, parts for him further down the line. Yeah. So I can't really see it very well because this camera's not the best for this. But yeah, it's got some nice detail on it. Yeah, I'll record some more. I'll do a bit more. I'll build the engine this evening, I think. Yeah, I'll speak to you then. Alright, welcome back. A bit more work done on the motorbike. Can't really see that very well, but that's the cutest little engine I've ever seen. That was quite fun putting that together. That's it, it's out on the floor. There's some width of the wheels, and that's the headlamp. The little cases that go, little pannier bags that go on the back. Quite enjoyed painting them. Leather straps with the silver buckles. Got the two sides of the front suspension and the mud guards there. That's fuel tank. There's your rear mud guard. Whoops, throw them down. There we go. They're coming out a little bit glossy, but I'll spray some matte on them at a later date. But yeah, the chaps are starting to look quite good. I've only done like their uniform yet, but I'm going to paint all their webbing and everything. Probably do that this evening. Stay. He's attacking me. I'm trying to get the other one. There we go. This is the one who sits in the sidecar. He painted his boots, but yeah, he's coming on well. Yeah, painted the sides of the sidecar and cut a little bits and pieces. Just try and organise this a little bit better. Yeah, there's the sides of the frame. They're painted and ready to go. So I'm probably going to do that this evening, and I'll bring you back once I've got the frame together. See you in a minute. Right, unfortunately you're not going to be able to see well enough to actually work. There we go. to actually do this justice as to how small, well, you can tell because everyone knows how big a Humbrol painting is. Yeah, that was the fiddliest little so-and-so I have ever worked on, trying to get both the sides to marry up with the engine and all the bits in between. It nearly flew across the desk a couple of times, but I managed, and I'm just going to turn it over, and if you look, it's even, oh, let's get it in frame, it's even got a working centre stand. So yeah, that was horrible, and I'll show you a little bit on the instructions. So basically, yeah, and those footrests kept wanting to fold in as I was trying to get everything together. Stay on there, yeah. So yeah, basically you've got your two halves, you've got your engine, that bit had to be trimmed off because it just wouldn't fit in. And you've got your centre stand, you've got this bit which just did not want to go in until the engine was in and glued up, and you've got them two little bits as well. It was a right faff on, but yeah, we're all together, so yeah, quite happy with that, and I think that will do for now. So yeah, I will update you once I've done a little bit more. Right, the bike's just about finished. Yeah, that took some doing. That was a very fiddly little thing. Great fun. Can't believe that 60 odd parts went into that. I mean, it is absolutely tiny. I mean, it's like what, just under 6 centimeters long. Absolutely tiny, but a real challenge and great fun. Yeah, so I've done a bit more on the chaps that are going to be sitting on it. This is the rider. I don't know how well you're going to pick that up. So yeah, he's coming along. And there's the other chap. He's going to be in the sidecar. I haven't started the sidecar yet. All I've done is I've built the mud guard for it. I'm going to probably call it a night now because this kit's getting well on the way and I want it to last a bit longer. So yeah, bike is built. Yeah, enjoyed that, stressful though it was. I'm never building a 1/35th scale motorbike again. They're far too fiddly. It's worse than building a 1/72nd scale car. But yeah, I'll leave it at that, and I will update you when I've done a bit more. See you in a bit. Right, okay, as you can see, I've got the rider on. Yeah, it's been a very fiddly and frustrating kit, this one. But it's been a lot of fun. It's kind of getting there now. You can see the frame for the sidecar is on. Here's the sidecar. And the chaps in there. The chaps did not want to go into their positions and ended up breaking things trying to get them on. But yeah, we're nearly finished now. So I'm going to leave that as two separate bits. I've got to finish painting the roll mat there. But other than that, that's this one pretty well there. So I'm going to give that 24 hours to dry, and then I'll lacquer it and then start the weathering. So I'll bring you back when I'm doing that. Right, okay, it's all together now, and it's had coats of varnish and the decals are on. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Yeah, so I just need one more coat of lacquer to seal them decals in, and then it'll be time to add the weathering, and then it'll be finished. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. There you go. So I'll speak to you once I've got the wash on.
Right, and there it is. Finished article. At first I thought the brown wash was a bit heavy. I don't think it's going to be any good for doing aircraft, so I'm trying to do this. So you get the best light on it. Yeah, I thought it was a bit heavy to start with, but it actually looks really good. It's like it's got a nice thick layer of mud over the bike and the sidecar, and it's made that bedroll look a bit more realistic as well. So yeah, I'm calling that done. So yeah, I will see you on the next one very soon.